that's done. What's wrong with it really. So yeah, this is my car for y'all, those of y'all that are new. My 87 Oldsmobile Cutlass. The stuff that we got to get installed, this is the T-top seals, the stuff for the T-top, you know what I'm saying? The weather stripping kit. So the trunk, the doors, the T-top, this is all the weather stripping right here. Both the front floor pans and the rear floor pans are already in the Cutlass, you know what I'm saying, the back seat. They haven't been installed or nothing, but they already there. So
now I'm doing shit you can be proud of. My shit used to be empty, now half of my closet proud of. I failed, but a nigga got up. This and this shit get shot up. Punching my pocket not up. Rapping on finally making it rain while I was locked up. So my niggas just hold on, never worry, dog. I got us. Why? Cause it's up.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce back with another video, and y'all read about the title. We finally going to pick up the Cutlass, but it has not been worked on. That ain't been done. So I'm gonna try and show y'all as much as I can, but it's gonna be sort of a rush tomorrow because we taking it from one shop straight to another, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm recording this intro because literally as soon as I get up, we gotta go straight and get the car, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoy this video. Like I said, it ain't gonna be really too much going on. We just gonna be going to pick up the Cutlass and drop it off at another shop. And the new shop I'm taking it to, the dude told me that it shouldn't take him no longer than 20 hours. So that's not gonna be a full day of work. It's gonna be like maybe 5 hours one day, 5 hours the next day, something like that, you know what I'm saying? Just 20 hours total. So he said it shouldn't take him no longer than a full week to get it done. And yeah, man, I'm just excited, you feel me? My Cutlass been gone for 6 months. This ain't no bashing video or nothing, you know. It's just my car's been gone for so long and ain't nothing been done to it. So I just really got tired of it, you know. I'm tired of seeing my car just sitting. So I decided to go and pick it up and find a different fabricator. Well, first I had to find a different fabricator who can actually do it, you know what I'm saying, do the welding and stuff. Because like I told y'all before, we don't have a lot of shops and stuff in my hometown that do really anything besides like a little bit of motor work, you know. So I had to find around, ask around, talk to other people, try to see where I can find another fabrication shop. And I finally found one, like I said, and we're gonna be dropping the Cutlass off to get it done. So yeah, man, like I said, I'm excited, ready to get the car back, ready to actually start installing. Literally everything in this car goes to that car, you know. Everything in this Charger goes to my Cutlass. So I'm excited to get that car back and actually get this stuff installed on it, have all the welding done, to where all I gotta do now, all I gotta do then is just customize the car however I feel like it needs to be customized, you know. So make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to auto where y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this video. Let's keep growing and elevating together. And I hope y'all excited for the Cutlass to be finally done. So I say hopefully about another week and a half, then the Cutlass should be actually finished, you know, to where I can start installing everything I need to install, everything that I done bought, everything I done got, start actually customizing the car the way I want it. So hope y'all enjoy, and y'all just stay tuned for when we go pick up the car. Alright guys, so like I told y'all, man, this ain't no bashing video. This ain't nothing to talk bad about nobody or none of that, you know what I'm saying? It's just the fact that I was getting a little tired of my car just sitting instead of actually getting the work done to it. After, y'all know, I've had the parts, everything, it was ready to go, you know what I'm saying? It just needed to be installed. So like I said, no bashing video, nothing talking bad about nobody, because I know shops don't prioritize your cars like you do, you know. So it's mainly just how patient can you be, you know what I'm saying? And I'm patient, I guess it just ran out. So as y'all can see, we are now back in my T-top Oldsmobile 87 Cutlass Salon, true Cutlass Salon, a little bit rarer than the Supremes, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, it's a lot of stuff we got to do to this car still. A lot of stuff I got to install. Y'all know I done ordered a bunch of stuff that's already in my Charger. Can't put none of that stuff that's in my Charger in here just yet, because this car still got to get the work done to it, you know what I'm saying, the welding done and get that rear bumper pushed out, you feel me? So yeah, I can't take that stuff out of my Charger right now, throw it in here and pallet this car up, because this car is finna leave literally tomorrow. So this car is only here for tonight and is leaving in the morning, like so for real, like in the morning, early in the morning. I'm getting up, I gotta drop it off to the new fabricator that I found that's gonna do all the work to this car. And I'm gonna show y'all the parts and everything. Yeah, I know we literally have everything to be installed. It's just needed to be installed, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, wasn't nothing on me really, you feel me? I've already paid for everything. The only thing I didn't pay was for the work to actually get done, you know? I paid for the parts and brought the car. So all I was supposed to do, everything else is out of my hands. So you feel me? Like I said, no bashing video. I ain't talking bad about nobody, because you feel me, that's just not the type of person I am. I don't like to talk bad about nobody, bash nobody, none of that stuff. But I know I am finna take out, y'all know I bought the carpet before I even knew that the floors had rust in them, you know what I'm saying? So I've been having the carpet for months, literally for months. So I'm gonna be pulling the carpet out, and I'm not gonna show y'all the stuff, like all the stuff taken apart in this video. I'm gonna wait till the next video and do that, you know what I'm saying? Just cause, you feel me, I'm trying to stay on top of my content, so I'm trying to drag stuff out as much as possible. Sorry about that, but that's just the way it is, you know what I'm saying, for now. So yeah, like I said, I gotta pull the carpet out, and I'm gonna make a separate video on the carpet just to show it to y'all, you feel me? The first time I had ordered the carpet, I had ordered a different color because I was planning on keeping the baby blue on this car and doing a darker blue on my box Chevy. But I figured if I'm already repainting everything in here, why not just choose the blue that I actually want to do on this car, you feel me? So I had sent that carpet back and got the blue. Actually, what really happened was the carpet I had ordered, it was not the same blue I was thinking it was gonna be, you know what I'm saying? It was a weird blue. It wasn't even like a sky blue or turquoise blue, none of that. It was a weird blue. So that's why I had ended up changing from keeping this car baby blue to doing a darker blue. Y'all can see by my headliner I did blue, by these door panels I did blue, which I'm gonna be most likely taking these out. That way while the car is gone, I can go ahead and start cutting out these holes for my door panel speakers, you feel me? So I think I'm gonna go ahead and take them out, and they'll just be out, you feel me? And the only thing that'll be in here is the top door panel. It is what it is, you know what I'm saying? It'll be all right. But we got everything, like I said. Excuse me. The parts, the new parts that I had ordered that's supposed to be getting installed for this car, they not in here, they in my brother's car, because y'all know my charger's too packed and I couldn't fit them extra boxes in that charger. So they in my brother's car, and like I said, I'm gonna show y'all that stuff this video, and in the next video I'm gonna show y'all the mess, you feel me? My rusted floors, my rusted top, you feel me? But it is what it is, like I said, and y'all know we got a whole lot of parts to be installed. So I'm so excited to get this car back fully welded, fully done, fabricated, all that. That way we can start installing them parts little by little, from my header, my Euro clip, to my dash, to repainting a bunch of more trim like this centerpiece, you feel me? And I'm gonna be fixing this as well. I bought some stuff that I seen people be using to fix the armrest, because I can't find one. I didn't look for one on eBay and everywhere, and nobody's selling that, you know what I'm saying? People selling the full center console. I don't need the full center console, I just need that armrest, this armrest piece. So I'm gonna try to fix this myself and see what I can come up with. And yeah, man, like I said, we got the car back. I want to get out and show y'all my car, and then like I said, once we the next video I'm gonna show y'all all the stuff that's done, what's wrong with it really. So yeah, this is my car for y'all, those of y'all that are new. My 87 Oldsmobile Cutlass. I'm rebuilding it, I'm literally starting from zero, and I'm gonna try to get it all the way to 100%. Y'all know we got the Euro clip, so we ain't worried about these bends. And honestly, I don't know what I'm gonna reuse off of this. I know these grills are not cheap, so I'm gonna probably keep that just in case if I need some more, even though it's broke right here. Headlights. I'm gonna pull my emblem off, and it's missing the Oldsmobile emblem right here, but my new one have it. And I'm gonna have to pull these side markers off until I order some more. I'm gonna order some brand new ones so it'll all be orange and not faded yellow, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I need to put that in my phone now. Fender side markers, Cutlass fender side marker. Y'all know I gotta repeat it a couple times so I don't forget. 1987 Oldsmobile Cutlass fender side marker. Oh, they got some clear ones. I didn't think they look like they go to a square body truck. $35. So yeah, y'all see it. I'm finna go ahead and order something, you know what I'm saying, so I can have them in, and that'll be in. Everything else I don't know, I already bought, you know what I'm saying. And we go ahead, like I told you, I need to pull this carpet out because I want to make a separate video on it. I'm telling y'all, man, I miss this car so much. I miss this car so much. So yeah, I need to go ahead and pull this box out. All right, pull this out. Looks like my boxing got wet a little bit. I hope my carpet not ruined, man, because I can't send it back because it's way past the 30 days. But yeah, man, we're gonna be rocking these 212s for now. These are a set of 12s my dad had, and this is a box that I had, and it's a ported box, so I just switched the box out and used that box for them 212s. And y'all know we got the rear deck speakers already, the two 4x10s, and I'm gonna put them up through the back. What else I need to get out of here? I got brand new trim. I've already got that. It's in my charger. Ooh, I need these though. I do need these them little clips there. Need to pull that out. See if it's anything else I really need to get out, and I don't think it is. What's in here? Wire, my speaker wire and stuff I gotta run. Should be my window regulators. Yep, brand new window regulators, so my window will roll up and down. Yeah, that's it. And these was the towels I was using to keep it from leaking. Some lug nuts, which I don't think I'm gonna be needing, and the top trim, which I already ordered a brand new one. Well, not brand new, but used. But yeah, man, we got the Cutlass back. Hope y'all excited for the build. Excited to have the car back, because I know I am. And yeah, man, I gotta get my brother's keys so I can show y'all these parts. So be back in 1 second. All right, y'all, so like I told y'all real quick, I wanted to show y'all the stuff that we got to get installed. This is the T-top seals, the stuff for the T-top, you know what I'm saying. And so the new fabricator I'm taking the car to, I talked to him and he said that we didn't have to buy this. He could have fabricated this himself, but he said it'd be all right. And for another reason, it's too late to send it back, so I can't just send it back now. It's too late. But he told me he could have fabricated and made his own seals for the T-top, so I didn't have to get that. But like I said, man, it's a little too late for that now. And this is the weather stripping kit. So the trunk, the doors, the T-top, this is all the weather stripping right here. And like I told y'all, man, wasn't no cap in my wrap, you know what I'm saying? No cap at all. We literally had everything. Everything was ready to be installed. So, and this right here is just the floor pans, which I've already showed y'all this. Both the front floor pans and the rear floor pans are already in the Cutlass, you know what I'm saying, the back seat. They haven't been installed or nothing, but they already there. So both the front floor pans, like I told y'all, I've already showed y'all this, but just wanted to show y'all again, you know what I'm saying. So we got literally everything. Just need everything to be installed now, you know. That's all it is. Just need everything to be installed. So we even got everything. So, like I said, man, this is the T-top kit. So everything I need, like I said, everything is ready to go. Just gotta get everything installed. So I will catch y'all in a second for the outro. All right, y'all, so that's gonna be the end of this one, man. I hope y'all enjoyed. I gotta put my T-tops back on, even though they won't stay down. I gotta put them back on because my uncle said it's supposed to rain, you feel me? But I don't, it isn't. Stuttering. My weather app said it ain't supposed to rain till Friday, so honestly I don't know. I'm gonna have to ask my grandma. see what she say. If it's supposed to rain, she watch the news every day, so she'll know too. And I'll just ask her. But man, other than that, man, like I said, it's gonna be the end of this one, man. We got the car back, like I told y'all. I was going to pick it up, and I needed to pick it up because I was getting tired of it sitting. And I know some of y'all understand. Some of y'all be like, you should just been more patient. But bro, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Like I said, no bashing, but 6 months, bro. This car has been sitting for 6 months. Now, not gonna lie to y'all, the first 2 months it was sitting because we needed the floor pans. And after, you feel me, he pulled up the carpet and told me that same day I ordered them floor plans. That same day. And they came in at the most a week, at the least 3 days. You know what I'm saying? And then as soon as they came in, I took them straight to him. The same day the delivery man pulled them off his truck, I packed them in my Charger and took them straight over there. And that was that, you feel me? And since then, the car has just been sitting, so it ain't like we was waiting on anything else. We knew we needed the T-top seals, we knew we needed the weather stripper, we knew we needed the rear floor pans. We had all that before we dropped the car off. Then only, like I said, the last thing we was waiting on was the front floor pans to come in. I ordered them the same day. Once they came in, I took them straight to them. And that was that, you know? That was that, so. Yeah, man, we got the car back. Like I told you, I found me a new fabricator. The car is getting dropped off in the morning. The next video, I'm gonna show y'all the mess in here. You feel me? Which it's not their shop's fault, but you feel me? I just wanted to show y'all how bad this car really was and where it's gonna be after we pick the car back up. You know what I'm saying? So this new fabricator, like I said, he done told me he could have fabricated the floor pans. He could have fabricated the T-top seals. The only thing we would have really needed to get was the weather stripping, but since we already got it, it's gonna save him a little bit less of a headache, and it'll be all right. You feel me? Honestly, I don't know how much he gonna charge. I haven't asked him. Really, didn't want to ask him. You feel me? Because I feel like that'll be a little bit disrespectful asking him, yeah, how much you gonna charge me? You feel me? When I can just, I don't know. I mean, I could have asked him. But it is what it is. The car got to get done regardless. Somebody got to do it, because y'all know I don't know how to weld, and I don't know how to roll sheet metal. So yeah, it got to get done regardless. So gonna have to up that little money. It'll be all right. But y'all know I'm still trying to get that motor for my box Chevy. Got to talk to my pop so he can talk to his friend and see what we gonna do. Cause I really want that motor. You feel me? It's a built 350, and like I said, I'm trying to be a little different than everybody else. So yeah, man, I think that's really it. We gotta get the floor pans installed, front and rear. Gotta get the T-top kit installed. We gotta get the weather stripping for the windows, the T-top, and the trunk. And then we gotta get that rear bumper pushed out just a little bit. You feel me? So yeah, man, like I said, I hope y'all excited. I'm so excited. I'm so ready to get this car finally finished, you know what I'm saying, from a fabrication shop. And we can start installing all the stuff I have in my Charger onto this car, you know? Like I said, I'm just excited. I'm ready, and I hope y'all excited just like I am. We got the car back. That was the first step. Second step, dropping it off to the new fabricator. Third step, picking it back up and start installing everything. We done got repainting and all that stuff, you know what I'm saying? So like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. It's gonna be the end of this one. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all the way y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel and share this video. Let's keep growing and elevating together. No bashing or nothing. You feel me? Let's keep it all civilized and professional and respectful. You know what I'm saying? I love y'all. I appreciate y'all, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Oop. Hold on. It's not it. Keep God first and God bless. I love y'all, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.